For someone who always feels anxious, ठीक है. One thing I personally noticed is that for someone whose nervous system is so much active, overactive, like this year Diwali, जब पटाखे फूटते थे, ठीक है, I noticed that they affected me so much. Like वो रिएक्शन, ठीक है, वो अलर्ट हो जाना अचानक से पटाखे की आवाज़ से, या चौंक जाना, ठीक है, दैट थिंग हैपेंड विथ मी. एंड आई फेल्ट दैट दिस हैपन्स ड्यू टू योर लो एंड्योरेंस, ठीक है. तबीयत खराब थी एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंड, it happened due to low endurance, ठीक है. And then I started running and I ran few days. Then I ran few days and वो चीज़ काफ़ी हद तक फिक्स हो गई. So just for your information कि if you are someone who actually face these issues, try indulging into some endurance training activities or cardiovascular activities like running. I tried it, it gave me results. Types of symptom, you should try it. Thanks for watching.